Welcome to Locstar Technology Company. Locstar founded in 2001, we have been in smart lock industry for more than 20 years. We are original OEM, ODM manufacturer. We offer both products and solutions to hotels, apartment, offices, facilities, and leisure facilities at domestic and overseas market, with goods compatibility by our PMS interface with Opera Fidelio, another popular PMS. Locstar is located at Shenzhen, more than 10,000 square meters production base. We wish to produce the most reliable lock to clients with more than 200 intelligent employees. We have developed a complete and mature production line, including the R&D, molding, punching, D'ing, assembling, testing and logistics, and after-sales center. We can secure customer and overall satisfaction purchase experience. Locstar have maintained this strong position and served over 10,000 hotel clients. With the right time, reliable producing ability, diversified range of products. Locstar products has been sold to more than 100 countries and regions. In North America, Europe, Southeast Asia, the Middle East and other places, with a large number of overseas users. For dependable and safety performance with low cost, Locstar series of products are very popular with domestic markets. Especially, our locks pass CE, FCC, RoHS, ISO certificates, and have been exported to the worldwide countries for many years. You can count on us when cooperation with you is sincerely longed for.